These viral AI squishy ASMR videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now, and I strongly think this is going to be the next viral AI trend. Now watch what I had created with AI in just 2 minutes. Here is full method how you can create these for free. First, all you need is this prompt. You will find its link in description. Copy this prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Here, paste the prompt in the prompt box and hit enter. Then GPT will instantly provide 10 videos ideas for our video. Once we select the idea, type that number in prompt box and hit enter. Within seconds, GPT will provide us a detailed master video prompt with all the required setting. Now copy this master video prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, switch to video mode. Select your desired aspect ratio and select Omni Flash as your video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything ready, paste the prompt in the prompt box. Now click Generate. Wait a few seconds while Google Flow creates your squishy ASMR video. And here it is. Your video is ready. You can create as many videos as you want using this with the master prompt I had provided. If this video helped you, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming viral niches.